here's how you can make tandoori chicken and waffles. Now I know you're asking why is it pink? I messed up, but let's just see if it at least tastes good.
Season drumsticks with chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, dried fenugreek leaves, and vinegar. Submerge in buttermilk and let it marinate in the fridge for an hour. In a bowl, add flour, potato starch, ginger, turmeric, and garlic powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and salt. Pack the dry batter into your chicken and deep fry at 365 for about 8 minutes. Drain off any excess oil on a resting rack. In a bowl, mix flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and enough milk to make a thick batter like this. And optional red food coloring.
Okay, I know it's pink. I messed up. I forgot red and white makes pink. For some reason, I thought this was going to be red. Or maybe you can add more Kashmiri red chili powder, but that'll be super spicy at that point. I ended up using like half the bottle. I don't want to waste this, so let's just use what we have.
Let's grease up our waffle maker and coat the chicken, the top side of it, with our waffle batter, close it up for about 4 to 5 minutes, and that's pretty much it. Drizzle on some hot honey or syrup and enjoy.
Okay, so technically it's not tandoori because I don't have a tandoor oven, but I did use the same spices, and it's fried chicken with the tandoori spices and the waffle batter stuck onto the drumstick as well. And that hot honey on top, oof. It's a bit sweet, spicy. This is a 9.1 out of 10. It's really good.